In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion pages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your Notion content in the format you need, complete with subpages and databases when you want them. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you're already a user, click Login. If you have the desktop app installed, Launch Notion will open it directly. Either option lands you in the same place, so choose what's most convenient. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You'll see the workspace name in the sidebar. Switch if needed so you're exporting from the right place. Open the specific page you want to export. This can be a simple page, a project hub, or a page that contains subpages and databases. At the top right corner of the page, click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. Scroll down in that drop-down and select Export. This opens the export dialog where you'll make a few key choices. First, choose your export format. PDF is great for a read-only copy that preserves layout and is easy to share. HTML creates a folder you can open in any browser, keeping links and basic structure intact. Markdown and CSV is ideal if you plan to edit the content elsewhere, since text becomes Markdown files and databases become CSVs that work well with spreadsheets. Next, choose the databases you want to include. If your page contains tables or boards, decide whether to include them and in which form. For editable data, CSV is a practical choice. For a more document-like export, Markdown keeps things human readable. Then choose the content you want to include. This typically means the page content itself, and you can opt to include attached files or other elements depending on your format. If your page has a hierarchy, toggle on Include Subpages to capture everything nested under the main page. This ensures you don't miss important details living a level or two down. If you enable subpages, you can also toggle on creating folders for subpages. This organizes the export into a clear folder structure, making it much easier to navigate once it's saved to your computer. When your selections look right, click Export. Notion will bundle your choices into a downloadable file, usually a .zip. Depending on the size of your page and any media, this can take a moment. Once it's ready, save it somewhere easy to find and unzip it to review the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.